So as I was saying before, I created a table with the information that they gave me in the problem. We're looking at choice F. If we know that one song is going to cost 99 cents, N represents the number of songs, so 99 cents plus one song is not going to give you the cost of that one song. That would give you $1.99, which is not accurate. If we look at choice G, says one song would equal 99 cents plus the cost of that song. If we use our information from here, 1 equals 99 cents plus 99 cents. That is not true either. H, the total cost equals 99 cents times the number of songs. So if we plug in what we have, it would be 99 cents equals 99 cents times 1. 99 cents times 1 is 99 cents. And if we wanted to keep going, 2 songs times 99 cents would give us $1.98. And then the last one wouldn't work because it has the number of songs, so that would be 1, equals 99 cents times the cost, so that would be 1 equals 99 cents times 99 cents. And again, we know that would not be 1. I was trying to do a parentheses right there, but you know what I mean. So H is the correct answer. Hopefully if you paused and you tried to do that on your own, you got that one correct. Those are our practice problems for this lesson, so now you can go on and try the practice activities in the module, and when you feel like you've had enough practice, then you can go ahead and take the quiz. Remember, the quiz is very important. That's going to be in Canvas. Sorry. And the quiz will be posted in your Canvas module under step 3. So what you've completed was the video lesson and practice. Then you'll go on and practice using Quiz-Is. There's some worksheets here that you can practice and a game. Then the quiz will be added in here. And remember, the quizzes that you have in Canvas always have a rocket ship by them. So you want to make sure that you take that. You get 2 tries to do it. On Wednesday, if you can make the Zoom lesson, we will be going over some more practice problems. So that will be more help for you if you need it. Until then, have a great week.